Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is you can see here this is LG brand 8 kg and also 5 kg dryer machine. This is inverter system, washer and dryer 2-in-1, also DD motor 10-year warranty. This machine having 2-3 complaints actually. We will try to resolve this issue because this one very urgently I have to hand over to the customer. Because of that, now I will show you what are the complaint with this machine, and we will go to the next step. I already given power connection here. Now I am trying to select any option here. Dear friends, you can see here I am not able to select any option. You can see it is already showing cotton, but we are not able to select. But here we can select whatever, but through the selector switch we are not able to select programs step by step, any other program. I'm not able to select selections. That's mean through the selector switch I am not able to select any option. This is the main complaint. Also now you can see the display here. It should come actually, it is 3 hours and 30 minutes, but it's not showing. Also now I'm selecting dry option here. It is 30 minutes it should show. Also we cannot find out, we are not able to read the display. This is the second complaint. Also sometimes this touch buttons are not working, touch is not working. This 2-3 complaints having actually. Now we have to resolve this issue immediately and we will go to the next step. Now we have to switch off. Also we have to remove the power connection. Also now I am going to remove top cover. Here 2 screws. After that I can take it out. Now I have to remove the detergent drawer here. Also here 2 screws because I am going to remove the front the panel, display panel. Also here back side having actually 2 screws we have to remove here. Now we can remove, we can take it out. Display PCB, harness connector I can remove here. While pressing this one we can take it out. You can see dear friends, now this one I am going to remove the panel here. With the display PCB I have to remove and we will check. Now we have to remove all the screws are here. Now I can take it out. Dear friends, you can see here conducting so get damage, already got damage. Here it is oxided. You can see here like blue color. That means this one and this one, these two not working. 1, 2, 3 not working. But the thing is, you can see here this selector switch actually it's got damage. It is something, it's like a water gone. Again we will give the connection here. I am giving connection again, power connection, and we can check. I already given power connection. I will on the machine again. Start the machine here. You can see dear. Here it is as same before. It's not turning. We are not able to select any options. Also you can see dear friends here display actually is gone already. You can see here. This one we cannot repair actually. We can repair, we have to change the display, after that it will be okay. But here it is, all the action fabrics are working, that's been touch working like that, but after fixing panel is not working. Now I can repair selector switch and display, fix immediately, because the selector switch is very easy, but problem is the display. Now this display already gone. Now I have to replace the whole display panel, display PCB, otherwise display control board. And I order already new display control board, and we will replace and we will check if it is whether working or not. It should work actually 100%. Now I will remove again here, and also I'm keeping here. Friends, this is the new one. You can see here. This one we will replace and we will check. Remove the selector switch knob here. Slide that. After that we can fix here to the new one, because the selector knobs is not coming because of that. Yeah, it's okay now. Now we will give the connection again. Now I'm giving power connection here. Yes, dear friends, you can see here it is already the touch. Here all the buttons are working. Also you can see, dear friends, it is the display, it's working fine. No any issue, because this is new one. You can see while I'm selecting any option, it's working properly. Now I have to fix this new board to the panel. After that we will check one cycle, also Q test also. Now it is okay. Now again I will disconnect the power and we will remove the display PCB from the connector. After that we will replace, we will fix to the panel and we will check. I'm going to clean the panel, touch panel with this one. You can see here, this is actually green this is ISO propyl alcohol. With the alcohol I'm going to clean here. You can see here, if it is carbon, we have to careful, we have to do this way. If it is not, all the carbons will go. After that it's not touching, because of that only dirty only we have to remove, not the carbon. Now I will fix. It will come like that. I have to fix all the screws are here now again. Now we will check with the machine again. Now I'm going to check again. Yes dear, I already given power connection again. You can see it is working actually, display everything's perfect. Yes, All the touch are working, no any problem. Also I will check with the Q test also here. You can see now I can check machines very quickly. Door already got locked. Now drum start to work. Motor, that's mean motor actually it is no issue. Yeah, increasing RPM you can see with the Q test. Now again I will press, it will increase maximum 1400, this one maximum RPM. It's already came 1000 now, 1100, 1200, 1300. It is coming only maximum, it's showing 1370 or 70. It's not showing 1400, but it is okay, it's perfect. Now we can check inlet also. All three inlet valve we can check in this position. This is frequency it's showing. You can hear the noise. One inlet, other inlet, also other inlet. Now again motor we can check. Also now we can check here dry, heater, also blower motor. You can hear the noise. Blower motor, it's working, start to work. Also heater also will start now. Yes dear, heater also start to work. Yes, now it is, machine is 100% okay. Now I have to fix as same before panel to the machine. After that my job will be complete. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix again to the panel with the machine. It will come like that. After that I have to fix two screws as same before. Here detergent drawer screws. Now it's okay. Now back of the machine I have to fix two screws are here. That one we have to anyway, definitely we have to fix that two screws. Now finally I have to fix detergent drawer here. Now it's okay dear. Also now I have to give the connection here. I didn't give the connection. The connection it will come here. Now I already given connection. Now it's okay. Now everything perfect. All the touch are working. You can see here. Okay dear, now I have to fix only the top cover. After that my job will be complete. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.